Hi everyone, welcome to another ballet for tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about Assemblé. I'm going to be teaching you Assemblé definition, how to do as a beginner. And if you make sure to stay right until the end, you're going to be able to join me in a simple Assemblé combination with music. Said that, let's get to it. Okay, let's begin by defining Assemblé. Assemblé means assembled or joined together, and it is a jump that demands elevation, and it doesn't demand you to transfer your body weight. Although it can be done forward to the sides or to the back, it doesn't mean that you're going to transfer to either direction. So basically what I'm saying is that when you're going to do any assemblé, you first think on gaining elevation rather than transferring your body weight. So let's begin by learning how to do a simple assemblé. You're going to be in fifth position, right leg on the back, hands on the hips, no arms coordination. And now you're going to do demi-plie. Your right leg is going to brush the floor, pressing against the floor to a jeté. Your supporting leg is the one that's going to give that final push, gaining elevation by taking off the ground, pointing your toes. Then they are both going to join in fifth position, and we are going to change right leg position, finishing in front. So one more time. Fifth position, right leg on the back, hands on the hips. You're going to do demi-plie. You're going to brush right leg that ends in a jeté to the side. You're going to push up, join together, fifth position, ends right leg in front, demi-plie. Now, as I said, it can be done forward, to the side, and to the back, and the characteristics are going to be the same. I'm going to be effacé, left leg in front, right leg on the back, and I'm going to show you one assemblé forward. Demi-plie, brush, jeté, join together, and down. And as you can see, I didn't transfer my body weight forward. And now we are going to learn to do double assemblé to the side. Again, fifth position, right leg on the back. The first assemblé, we are not going to change the position of the right leg, which means right leg and on the back. And the second assemblé is the one that's going to change the position of the right leg. Let's do it again with left leg. Hands on the hips, demi-plie, simple assemblé, second assemblé. We can also do it en tournant, which means we can do it turning around. And it can be done en dehors and en dedans. Now the turn is going to happen at the same time we lift the leg and turn before landing back to the ground. Okay, so now I'm going to do a simple assemblé en dehors en tournant. Right leg in front, hands on the hips. Demi-plie, right leg is going to brush and jump. It doesn't change. One more time. Stretch, plie, brush, and turn. One more time. So as you can see, I haven't moved forward or to the back or to the side. I just turn around my own axis. Okay? Now let's do a combination together so you can practice at home what we learned today in this video. And fast, right leg on the back, fifth position, and arms go brava, first, third position, plie. You're going to do simple assemblé, stretch, plie. Simple assemblé, stretch, plie. Double assemblé, stretch. Arms, port de bras, change to the other side. One simple, stretch, plie. One simple, stretch, plie. Double assemblé, stretch. Let's do it now with music. Plie, assemblé, assemblé, double, open, port de bras, If you like my videos, the best thing that you can do to support me is by sharing with your friends, giving some likes and comments down below.